First of all, I would like to be in the tax bracket.
The union budget is set to be announced this Sunday. After last year's tax relief, taxpayers are expecting more, especially a higher standard deduction. So we hit the floors to ask people what are they expecting.
This year, at least something can be done on the long-term capital gains tax. I will be happy.
Removal of surcharge and cess will be good enough.
Salary income and business income should get set off so that I have a loss in a business income that can netted off to my salary income.
If the government raised the standard deduction amount, what would you do with the extra money?
2 hours later.
Savings.
Pay the rent and the deposit with that.
Mutual funds.
Long-term investments which we can have personally.
Once in a year, I can have a good international trip.
If you were to become the finance minister, then what changes would you make?
I would reduce the import duty, make it almost 0% on products like matcha and cosmetics.
I would like to have standard deductions in new regime also.
There should be a fund priority for the higher taxpayer.
I would like to bring that people who earn say more than 1 crore rupees from an agriculture income in the tax net. I'm sure that's not going to happen because it's politically very sensitive topic.
Some tax liberalizations or some other liberalizations so that they can set up the business and more FDIs could come to India and markets can go and hopefully rupee could appreciate.
No, I don't want to become one.